Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a McDonald's cheeseburger. This is one of my favorite recipes because it brings me back to when I was a wee little child. And you know what? So we're going to take them out and we're going to start assembling our burgers. It's bottom bun. Let's go. So bottom bun, we're going to add a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard, some chopped up pickles, and then we're going to add our burger meat. And last but not least, we want to add the top bun. And this is where you can get creative, so you can add whatever toppings you want. So I personally like tomatoes, lettuce, onions, pickles. But for today's video, I'm keeping it simple. So I'm just going to add a single slice of onion. If you don't like onions, you don't have to add any. And if you do want to add other toppings, feel free to do so. It takes less than 10 minutes to make these burgers. This is one of my favorite recipes because it brings me back to my childhood. It makes me so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope you make this recipe. Comment down below and let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for the ingredients we're gonna need ground beef, American cheese, hamburger buns, pickles, ketchup, mustard, onions, sesame seeds, and salt. All right, so first things first. We want to start off by flattening our ground beef. So I got this nice and even. I'm using 1/2 inch burger patties. So that means I have 2 burger patties. Now you can use whatever type of meat you would like. So if you want to use turkey or chicken, you absolutely can. I just personally love ground beef. So that's what I'm going to be using for today's recipe. Next, we want to set our burger patties to the side and get started on our buns. So we've cut our buns in half, and then we've spread some butter on top. Now, I do not have a butter stick, so I'm using my little knife skills to spread that sucker around. And don't forget the insides of the bun as well. Once we have that nice and evenly coated, we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Now, if you don't want to mess with the sesame seeds, that's totally fine. It's totally optional. But I really like the flavor that they bring into this. So I'm going to be adding them. Next, we want to throw our buns in the oven. So we'll slide those babies in and set our timer for 2 minutes. While those are toasting up, let's move on to the next step. So while the buns are toasting, we want to start cooking our burger meat. So I have my pan on medium heat. Once that's nice and hot, add a little bit of oil, and then flatten out my burger patties, just to give them a little bit more of a nice sear. Now, once both sides are nicely seared, we're going to flip them over and put a slice of cheese on top of each patty. Now, we just want to cook the burgers until the cheese is all melty and gooey. Oh, that sounds good. Okay, so once the cheese has melted, we remove the pan from the heat and we set it to the side, right? So at this point, our buns should be nice and toasted. And there you have it, friends. That is how to make a McDonald's cheeseburger.